Have you ever gone to start your Nissan Pathfinder and when you turn the key, nothing happens? It's just dead. Sounds like a dead battery, kind of. It might try to start, but it doesn't. And if you've tried to jump it, it also doesn't work. It might be a dead battery, or it could be something else. If you have a manual transmission, there's right by the clutch is a little button, and the little button needs to be depressed. It's one in the middle of the screen right now, and what happens is there's a little plastic piece. When I push down on the clutch, it pushes down and it pushes that button. Now you can kind of see it right now as I move it. It's going to be contacting that button. As I push down, it contacts it. Here's a closer shot of the clutch pedal itself. Pushes down, there's a little bracket on it. And that little plunger, actual little button, contacts that right there. And if it doesn't contact it, it won't start. I could literally, to start up my Pathfinder, I could take my finger and push down on that button, and it will allow the Pathfinder to be able to start. If that's not getting depressed, your Pathfinder won't start at all. It's a really easy fix. Just take a bolt and put it in there and get it at the right distance away from the plunger and test it a couple times, adjust if necessary. Or you can just get a new one of those plastic pieces or rubber pieces or whatever, and that should solve your problem.